visions I vandalize, gold in my kingdom size, fell for this ocean eyes. You should see me in a crowd, I'm gonna run this nothing down. Watch me make them bow one by one by one.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Roxley and I'm back with another wig review. If you are a new viewer, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Also make sure you're hitting that bell so that you don't miss any notifications of when I upload new videos. So today you guys, I'm going to be showing you this wig review on this hair that was sent to me from Divatress.com. It is their Motown Tress Deep Lace Part Wig, and the style is DP.Zoe, and I have it in the color RT4 French Pink. So here is the stock card and here's what it looks like. Personally, before even taking this out, this doesn't look pink to me. It looks more like a purple, but it says rainbow tip, but I mean, in my opinion, it looks really purple, y'all. Y'all see that? That looks purple. So I decided to go ahead and try something different for you guys, and give you guys a little different look and try something different for myself. Also, the roots are like a lavender, like a very dark purple, I would say. They're not, it's not really black or brown. I would say just a really dark purple. So let's go ahead and take this thing out. I'm dropping everything, y'all. All right. So this has 2 clips in the front, 1 clip in the back with your adjustable straps, and here's what it's looking like. It does look like it's big head friendly, I'm not sure, but this is how much parting space you get with the unit right here. I am gonna go ahead and apply makeup to that. I'm kind of nervous about this unit because I haven't seen like much reviews on this hair. I don't like how like stringy it looks, so most likely I'm gonna go ahead and brush that out, but I haven't seen much reviews on this hair, so that's why I'm really nervous as far as how it's gonna come out or how it's gonna look. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this review, guys. It doesn't have any type of lace involved, just right here in the parting space, that's it. And it looks like there's small little baby hairs right here that you can create, but I don't think I'm gonna do all of that baby hair stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this thing, y'all. Oh, take this string off. All right. So we're gonna just put this thing on. I'm nervous. Let me grab my brush. Give me a second. All right, so I got my paddle brush. How do you get your hair out of your paddle brush? Because I like struggle to get hair out of this thing. That's really weird. Okay, there's a whole lot of hair in there, and I have this just in case it looks too wiggy so I can tie it down. That's what I tend to do, but let's go ahead and see how this looks, you guys. I don't like the parting, the side that the parting space is on. Okay, so the parting is over here. Not too shabby. I mean, it don't look bad, I guess. I clip the back like normal. I'm probably gonna pull this to the side. Okay, so this is what we're working with. I got my paddle brush ready because I don't like the stringy look. So I'm gonna brush it out so it looks, you know, see? That looks better than that. What y'all think? No? I think it looks better when you brush it out. Let's do a little comparison. Yeah, it does. I kind of want to cut it a little bit. I don't know. Like, just, I'm not gonna jack it up. I'm not gonna jack it up. Not like I'm a professional cutter. I'm not about to do that, y'all. So brush this thing out and call it a day. I personally think it looks better when you brush it. it doesn't look as stringy and, you know, all processed and weird. So this looks like I just curled it myself, even though we know that I could never pull something like this off. Curls like this, I actually suck at curling my hair. Okay, so I mean, I don't know how to feel yet, just quite yet, but let's go ahead and keep brushing. Just keep brushing, just keep brushing,
I'm standing on the edge of a cliff. Realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from heaven's end with me tonight. I'm trying to find our place in this world. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Keep our secrets there, hide them everywhere. Just you and I. We'll never forget the past, but what counts is our brand new start. Even if it hurts me or I get scared, just come take this risk now. We'll be prepared. Trying to find our place in this world. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Keep the secrets there, hide them everywhere. Just you and I. Just you and I. Trying to find our place in this world.
All right, you guys, so this is the final look right here. Definitely let me know what you guys think. I personally don't have a whole lot to say about this hair. It was very easy to put on. I will say that it is big head friendly. I didn't receive any type of shedding. You don't have to cut off any lace with this unit. It does look a little, just a little like wiggy to me up here. Like it doesn't, I don't know. This is my opinion, but overall I love the color. I think it is super cute. After I brushed it out, in my opinion, I think it looks a whole lot better versus just how it came out of the packaging. I definitely think you should brush through it so that it looks more like natural, if that makes any sense whatsoever. I did cut just a little bit of the pieces down here, like that was hanging. Like, it just looked weird to me, so I ended up cutting just a few pieces down here. But overall, I think this hair is super cute. I love the color. I am going to be trying more colors for you guys, so definitely stay tuned for that. This hair does come in many different other colors, so if you don't want to go with this color, it does come in different colors. It comes in a 1, 1B, 2, 4, F1B/30, so that's like a mixture color. It comes in OT Ivory, which is the color shown on the stock card, so that's kind of like a white looking color. It comes in an OT Sonata. I'm not sure what that color looks like, and a chai and a latte color. So I mean, definitely check it out. It is super affordable. It does say that it's curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. I personally wouldn't apply heat to this unit. That's just me. Like, I don't, if it's not a blend, I just would not apply heat to it. I feel like it's gonna end up being super frizzy and it's gonna look so crazy. I think all you have to do is just brush through it with your paddle brush if you have one like this, and you're good to go. I don't think the curls are gonna go anywhere. Like I said, I mean, I brushed through it a few times and you can still see the curls. Like, I just don't like the stringy fake look, you know, so that's why I went ahead and brushed through the unit. But other than that, that is all I have from you guys, for you guys. Again, I did receive this hair from Divatress.com, so I'll be leaving the link down the information box below. Definitely stay tuned because I'll be back with more videos pretty soon. And thank you guys so much for watching.